Today, we're excited to introduce the 3-in-1 Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper, a versatile and essential addition to any nursery. This innovative baby cradle offers 3 convertible modes. Use it as a standalone cradle, attach it to your bed as a bedside sleeper by simply unzipping the side panel, or let it function as a rocking crib to mimic the soothing swaying motion of parents. With 3 adjustable height positions, this cradle is designed to fit all bed and sofa heights, and it even includes an incline mode to help prevent infant reflux and make feeding more convenient. Safety and comfort are prioritized with its stable structure and double-sided mesh design, ensuring maximum breathability and allowing you to keep an eye on your little one at all times. The spacious interior is equipped with 4 silent wheels with brakes for easy mobility, a moderately firm mattress, a mosquito net, and a large storage basket for all your baby's essentials. Perfect for families on the go, this lightweight, foldable crib is travel-friendly, ensuring your baby sleeps soundly no matter where you are. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.